So I've got it up on paddock stands. Just had a quick look over it. Now I think it's time to give it a wash down after all those years of, yeah. Let's see if we can get rid of this. Okay. Give it a bit of a tidy up. Just that when I'm working on it, I'm not getting handfuls of. So now it's all wetted down, I'm going to use not Windoline. This is muck off, but I'm just putting in a Windoline bottle for ease of application. And I'll keep the bike nice and wet because you don't want this on the bike for too long. And then for the instruments and stuff like that, I just use a painter's brush. For a first look over and a scrub, I found other things. Wheel bearings had it, just chucking out all of its grease. So there's a fair few more jobs to do. I'm in the mood to sort out this hazy headlight. So I love how it's printed what bulb it uses. It's a good Bosch unit. Underneath is a Phillips, so I always go for a quality screwdriver when it comes to here we are. I'm not sure what that is. I don't think it's a factory add-on. Some kind of goop. Tiny bit of corrosion inside the bowl, but apart from that, that is the tidiest bowl I've seen ever. My Zephyr was just mishmash of wires and yeah, really good. So I'm going to remove these and these, which just pull out, and then I can have a better look at this and see if we can do something about the haziness. Wow. Less hazy, it's going to be beautiful. Here is its hazy headlight. That's not bad, is it? Okay, let's put the headlight down somewhere safe. There we go. Parts so far. A new max battery from Tanya. I went for, obviously, cost saving, but I also went for cranking amps, and this had the most cranking amps at 190 for this particular battery type. Then I got some fork seals because they're weeping. I got some fork oil, genuine belts. I've got a racing high flow oil filter, an aftermarket copy indicator, which actually looks quite good. And I've also made it a box, and all the old parts that I take off of the Monster I'm going to put into this box for Andy, and then he can see that the parts, watch parts have been replaced. And at the moment we're at 0. So I really got to knuckle down. I think it's actually tomorrow. I've allocated time in my diary to see if we can wake up this Monster. We probably won't get it running, but we will be able to confirm a lot of things and hopefully have it running by next week, because the carbs have got to come off. If you remember, the throttle doesn't move. So is that a throttle cable stuck, or is it the carbs? I put a screwdriver in there and I found that I couldn't actuate the carbs, so I'm going to guess that they are actually seized. Cool. Can't wait to give it some electrons though and just make sure the electrics work. Be nice to see. Thanks for watching. Can't wait for the next one.